Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Swayam Mahfuz Institute. So today we will discuss about beauty versus talent. That is very interesting topic. So introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Mohammad Tawfiq and I would like to talk about beauty versus talent, which is very interesting topic for us.
So what do you think about beauty and talent? Beauty is more important than talent. And talent is more important than beauty.
Yeah, no doubt. I think talent is more important better than the beauty because, as you know, beauty can be go after few years, but talent always keep with us till death. So that's why talent is more important, better than the beauty. And if suppose if you are going to give interview, so interviewer firstly will judge your talent, not beauty. So if interviewer will ask you any question and you will not give answer of that question, and that time beauty is more that time talent is more important.
Absolutely, you say right. Talent is important, but if we talk about the beauty, so beauty is a more important because if you want to go in a film industry, so for film industry beauty is more important. So beauty and talent is the best combination of our life. Sometimes beauty help to see your first impression, and the talent is also good for our life and for better living lifestyle. And if we talk about the receptionist job, so staff should beauty for receptionist. So beauty is more important than talent because beauty is more important for any job, receptionist, cabin crew, and film industry.
Yeah, in such a situation, as you said, beauty more important than the talent. So I don't think I am not agree with you because if you go any reception and you are doing over their job, so due to beauty as well as beauty, you should have talent, and with the help of talent, you will do of that job. And as you said. Beauty is very important, and if you want to go in film industry and over there beauty is very important as well as you should have talent. So if we talk about we have a lot of example of talent like Nana Patekar, Johnny Lever. They don't have beauty, but they have a lot of talent. With the help of talent, they has become famous in all over the world, and nowadays they has become rich with the help of talent, and that's why talent is very important, and due to of talent you can achieve anything in our life. And because with the help of talent you can attract any person by showing of their talent. And if you want to start any business, so in that business definitely you should have talent. Like if you want to grow of their business, so you should thinking out of the box. You should take new strategy in our field and new innovation in our field. So this is that is known as talent. So if you want to grow better than the other competitor of our talent of our business, so that time you should have a lot of talent because you should planning in advance of about their business, and how we can grow of their business. So that's why talent is very important than the beauty.
Absolutely, you say right. I am agree with you. Talent is more important for given any interview job. But according to me, if we talk about the beauty is much important the talent, because whenever the person meet anyone. So firstly the person who is front of you will analyze our beauty. Then later on try to know the concept of our talent. But beauty and talent always go together because they are interdependent and on each other. Beauty is what you appear and your outside, but that appearance itself depend on inner qualities, every person inner qualities. But that's why where we thinking and where we desire to live in our life and our goal in our life and what we eat and even if a person is born with a pretty face but without confidence is no beauty. It comes with consistent effort to achieve your goal and your life. Because when one achieve things in life with great hard work, so it boosts the person only confidence. So beauty and talent to go together in our life. So beauty is very important. I am not completely against of the talent. Talent also important, but beauty and talent always go together in our life. Both are extremely very important for our life.
Yeah, I know beauty is very important at many places. Like if you when you will go in marriage and in a occasion, and so that time beauty is very important, and you should you should look unique in crowd. If you have a good personality, if you have a good beauty, and but if you talk about Madhuri Dixit, so Madhuri Dixit have a lot of beauty, and due to beauty, she has got a lot of talent in film industry. So in many ways, beauty is very important. But as you said, talent more important. Yeah, if we talk about Usain Bolt, so they don't have beauty, but they have a lot of talent in our field. So that's why they has become all over the famous in our field. And if you have talent, so due to of talent you can go anywhere and you can achieve anything. So due to of talent you can change of yourself, and you can change of all over the world, and you can change of their family, of their environment with the help of talent. Beauty doesn't matter, because if you as you know, there are many people, they don't have beauty, but still they are success in our field. So it all happen due to of talent.
Yeah, absolutely. You say right. Talent is more important. But if we talk about the beauty and talent, so according to me, both are extremely good for our future. And because most of the student want to go in film industry and in a five-star hotel and cabin crew. So if we talk about the girls, most of the girls want to go in cabin crew. So for cabin crew should be a lot of beauty. So both are extremely good for our life. So
So I am agree with you. Beauty is very necessary at many places, such as in hotel industry, and if you will job in hotel industry, so as well as you should have beauty with the talent. So that's why we should have both quality, and due to of both quality we can achieve of their goal.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you have understood of this topic very well. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So